All right, show me your favorite toys.
This my favorite.
Which one's your favorite out of all those?
And this is my favorite.
Which one is that?
The digger.
Is that the digger or is that the loader?
Loader. This is the digger.
Yeah.
This is the Dodger Steamroller.
George the Steamroller?
But not the Dodge Charger. It was not a Dodger Charger. The Dodger Steamroller. Yeah.
Which one's your favorite, Samuel?
All of them are my favorite. This is my favorite, and this is my favorite. And this is my favorite. And is the scraper and your digger and the loader, are those your favorite too? I put the pillows right there. You couldn't see. I'm still working on the edge. Look, Mom, look.
What are you doing? I see. What are you doing?
Mom, look in the body, and you're gonna see pee and poo.
Wonderful. Well done.
Please.